Conceptual abstraction. Imagine standing in the middle of a crowded city. Thousands of faces move past you, cars rush through intersections, conversations overlap, lights flash from every direction. Your senses are flooded with information. Yet somehow, your mind doesn't collapse under the weight of it all. Why? Because your brain performs one of the most powerful feats in human cognition. It abstracts. It takes overwhelming complexity and compresses it into concepts. You don't see millions of individual experiences when you hear the word city. You see one idea, a mental shortcut, a symbol, a concept. This ability is called conceptual abstraction, and it may be the single reason human civilization exists. Think about it. The number 10 isn't a physical object. Justice isn't something you can touch. Freedom has no color, shape, or weight. Yet these abstractions govern economies, inspire revolutions, and shape entire societies. Humans possess a remarkable ability to look beyond individual details and recognize deeper patterns. A child sees different dogs. A mature mind sees the concept of dog. A scientist sees countless falling objects, then discovers the abstract principle of gravity. A visionary sees separate inventions, then recognizes an entire future hidden inside them. Abstraction is the bridge between observation and understanding. It allows us to move from what is visible to what is meaningful. But abstraction comes with a hidden danger. The more abstract our thinking becomes, the further we can drift from reality. We stop seeing people and start seeing labels. We stop seeing situations and start seeing assumptions. We mistake our concepts for the truth itself. And that's where wisdom becomes essential. Because intelligence isn't merely the ability to create abstractions. It's the ability to remember that abstractions are maps, not the territory. The greatest thinkers in history mastered this balance. They could zoom out far enough to see universal principles, yet remain grounded enough to recognize the details that make reality unique. Every breakthrough begins this way. Every scientific theory, every philosophy, every invention, every masterpiece. First comes the chaos of information. Then comes the moment when the mind discovers a pattern hidden beneath it all. A concept, an abstraction, a new way of seeing. And perhaps that's what makes human consciousness so extraordinary. We are not limited to the world as it appears. We can extract meaning from complexity, find order in randomness, and transform experience into understanding. Because the true power of the mind is not in collecting more information. It's in discovering the invisible ideas that connect everything together.